We're out squirrel hunting. We think they've got one in a tree.
Come on, Maddie. Come on, hurry, hurry. Right here, right here, right here. Come right here, come right here, come right here, come right here, come right here. Right straight up there. See him?
See him right there? I got it all fixed now.
I hear somebody.
I didn't think they'd be going for it.
Yeah.
They were moving. He's right here in this one or that one. You saw him going that V?
I saw him.
Okay, cool.
There he is.
He's right there.
There he is.
There you go. Oh, shot. Good
You
shot.
hit him? There he is.
Get it, Cricket. Get it, Cricket.
Let's see it.
Name it chipmunk.
Yeah. Dead squirrel. Oh, did you shoot it in the eye? I guess.
Looks like it. I don't know how it made it
I
that
don't know
far.
how it ran. There.
Old Belgian Brownie. Wow. That thing has been shot a gazillion times. This thing shot the rough. Business about going on.
Turkey scratching right here. This is season number next, right here.
Yeah.
Right around the corner. All up through here. Right here you got a good deer rub.
You got us enough.
There you go.
There it goes.
That thing was way up in the tree.
Where
I
is it?
never even saw it.
It was way up there in the tree.
Oh, the dog got it.
And he thought he saw it, so he shot it and shot.
We missed him. We got all the way around.
It's so flat, I mean laying right there.
Yeah. We all shot around it.
I'm sure everybody got a shot on it. He's down there swimming in the creek. Yeah. Yeah. She's a little big too, like me. Yeah. Gets a little hot.
Can y'all wrap your arms around it? How big is it? Nope.
Where at?
Right there.
Come on, get over. Get over.
He's going up. I'm gonna stand here and watch him. Y'all go ahead and go over there.
Other side. Ooh, you gotta walk across the street.
He's probably gonna try to get up there on the top of that nest. He's in that tree that's. Keep on. No, it's to your right. The one that's right in front of you. It's the one right there next to the magnolia tree. He's in that tree. He's on the back side, right below that big V on the top.
There you go. You ready?
That's some other squirrels in that nest.
On the back side, that'd be fine.
So much lighter.
Come here, Blake. Hey, Blake, come back on this side.
See him?
I know. If you miss, you might run around. You ready? Ready? Be fine. Hey, right this side or to the right, right here. Cover this side.
Hey! Woo! She's stuck in the creek.
Jump into that net.
Yeah, that was fun.